Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't sure if I would have a chance to film this, but I had a little bit of extra time, so I thought I really wanted to film it and not miss out a month where I don't reveal the sub boxes and mystery kits. So I'm glad I had some time. The August boxes and mystery kits went out today, so I'm sorry that we didn't film this before we could, you know, get them out and you could see them, but we were just running very behind because we go away to get married tomorrow. But we managed to get everything out in time, which was the main thing, that you guys get your packages. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you this because it's just beautiful. So I might just go through the sub box first. So this is what you see when you open it, and I'm just going to go and take everything out. Okay, and this is an overview of the box. As you can see, it's very pink and very floral, but I'm just going to go through everything individually now. So first up is the washi tape, and it's this really beautiful floral pattern, and it's just got kind of like this confetti dots in the background and a really subtle pink watercolor effect. I just think that's really, really pretty. So that's the washi. Next are your sticky notes. These are just a really pretty round sticky note with a floral wreath, just really simple and feminine, so you get plenty of those. That's your sticky note. Then your pen. Everyone has gotten a slightly different pen this month. You might get a gold one, you might get like a blush pink one. This one is a kind of grey with gold dots, and it's just a ballpoint pen. That's the pen you receive. Then your beautiful quote cards. So the first one just says take your time, and it's got these beautiful gold foil confetti dots all around it. I love these. So that's the first one. The second one says what is done in love is done well, and you get those little gold foil squiggles. Happiness is often a rebound from hard work. That's so true. And then what's this one? Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. You are strong enough to face it all, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. And I just love the little gold foil, like kind of sticky strip. It looks like it's holding on this post-it note. And then this one, you are gold, baby, solid gold, with a lot of gold foil. So those are your quote cards. Then you have your divider tabs. So as usual, you get 12 of these, and they're just slightly more rounded this month than previous months. I just thought it looked a bit nicer. So you get 2 of those. Those are all the patterns that you receive. There we go, that's the other one. Like that. Then you get a really pretty velvet pink bow charm with this little pearl. And I just love the colour of this bow. I think it turned out really pretty and velvet. I'm all about velvet at the moment. And you've just got your little gold lobster clasp, and this will go on something that I'm about to show you. So that is the little charm you receive. Then your 8 sheets of stickers. So the first sheet is all of your icons, and then you have some gold faux foil headers. Oh. You get your appointment labels, heart checklists, habit trackers, sidebar stickers, weekend banner, and just another floral there. You get your to do and today headers, 4 full boxes and 2 different types of flags. Your gorgeous deco sheet with tons of florals. You get a nice chair, a little bra and knicker set, a book, a mirror, and then some girls. Ooh. Then you have your date covers, appointment labels, bill due, 2 sticky note stickers, smaller icons, drawing pin, and 2 teardrop stickers. You get 6 more full boxes and then 3 appointment labels. You get your washi strips, little things, and then some half ombre heart check boxes, and then 2 more arrows. And then you get your divider tab sheet, which are all the labels to go onto the dividers. Those are all the stickers. And then you have your die cuts. So this month we've actually changed the paper type of the die cuts to be a coated paper. So they're actually glossy, whereas before they were a matte finish, and I think these have turned out so much nicer. And you get this gorgeous backing card as well. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but you can see that they're more of a glossy finish rather than the matte, and I think that's just made the print quality a lot more vibrant. So I'll just go ahead and lay them all out. There you go, there are all the die cuts. So you've got some florals here, some vases, some girls, this girl holding a bouquet of flowers, a chair, a mirror, a little bra and knickers. I think they look really pretty, really nice and vibrant. And then something really exciting this month. So this month we are also including a traveler's notebook, which is really exciting. It is a B6 size, and it is this exclusive pattern that we have drawn ourselves. It has a white elastic and the pattern is on the front and the back. It's got white stitching and it's got squared edges. And then when you open it up on the inside, you've got, it's kind of a creamy off-white color, and then you've got these two secretarial pockets with the pattern on it, which I just think is beautiful. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I can't remember if I just said, but you get 4 elastics, and then you also get with the kit a B6 notebook that slots in perfectly, and it just has this kind of gold faux foil outline with like a cracked pattern and some florals, and it just says, "Note, I can do this," and it's just like that on the back. And then on the inside we now have dot grid inserts, so it's really great for bullet journaling or any type of planning. I think it's better than just the plain notebook on the inside. And then you can just slot it, where's the middle here, it just slots right in like that. Yes, I'm happy. And then what you can do with the charm as well is pop that on the front and you're ready to go. How pretty is that? So yes, that is the notebook that you received this month. I hope you guys really love it. I think it turned out really nicely. And then finally the papers. So, sorry, I'm all messy here. So the papers this month, this is the first sheet and it's the same pattern as the washi. I just think it's so pretty. And then on the back of that, you get this kind of Aztec-y geometric pattern. So it's kind of like your contrast between the florals and the geometrics that we've done throughout the kit. So you get 2 of those, like that. And then you get this really pretty cracked pattern. So it's kind of the same as the notebook, but we've just gone for black and white, and then we've fed through some of this gold foil. I think it turned out really nicely. And then on the back of that, you've got this beautiful pattern with all of the gold foils, like a watercolor background and then a trellis type of pattern. So you get 2 of those. And then this floral pattern, again, just with the bigger roses. And then on the back of that, you've got the dots, and then within them are all gold foil dots. So you get 2 of those. And then the vellum is again really pretty floral and just geometric gold lines. And then finally the acetate is this kind of outline roses floral pattern. So that is the kit. I really hope you guys love how this turned out. It's basically now, this kit means that we've been doing our sub boxes for a whole year. So I really wanted to make this a little bit special, and definitely I think the TN really made it that. So let me know what you think. I'm sorry that this video went up late and we don't have any left, but yeah, hopefully you can see what our sub boxes still consist of. So now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you this month's mystery kit. So like last month, our mystery kits now also come with a journal card and a sheet of foil stickers. This month's theme was Alice in Wonderland, and I just love how it turned out. So let me just show you. So the first thing that you receive always is our sampler, and this just has like sticky note stickers, a couple of bow clips, bow header, a little TN, smoothie bowl, chain sheets, coffee date, a couple of bottles, drawing pin, and our desk icon. This is one of my favorites. And then the journal card, which is so cute. You've got this little bunny rabbit and this gold foil all around, and it says, "Your heart knows the way, run in that direction." And just, it's so cute. And then you have your sheet of foiled stickers. You've got these playing cards at the top here, so Jack, King, Queen, Ace. And you've got these two little eat me, drink me, a bow, some florals, a little mushroom. As you can see, the Alice in Wonderland theme is coming out. You've got some foil overlay headers, and then you have some full box overlay. So you've got the Queen of Hearts there, and then just this really cute little squiggle. So that's your foil sheet of stickers. And then onto the actual kit. So as you can see, lots of really pretty pastel blues and pinks. You've got your heart checklist, sidebar box, sidebar headers, appointment labels, sticky note stickers, habit trackers, lots of functional icons. Then your to-do and today headers, faux gold foil headers, appointment labels, bill dues, 2 weekend banners, and lots of icons. Then you have your really pretty full boxes. So you have the quote box that says, "Every adventure requires a first step." You have some books and glass. This is a little opaqued out, I don't know if that's a word, full box, some hydrangeas, this really sweet bunny rabbit. You've got some sandwiches, so Queen of Hearts, cookies, a gorgeous little chair with some heels and a blanket, and then these really pretty florals in vases. And then you get your block headers at the bottom. Then you have your to-do boxes, another sidebar box, and some more appointment labels. You have your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. You have your bottom washi and your washi strips. You have your deco and date covers, and in this deco we've also got like the little flamingo croquet and her little dress, and some teacups and a Mad Hatter's hat, and then this really pretty bunny in a teacup. I don't know if you can see that. There we go, the little bunny in a teacup. How cute is that? And then finally your double box sheet. So this is the double box. You've got the Cheshire Cat up here, and then just Alice kind of looking around. 2 more sets of headers, and then the new addition, which is the script headers. So you've got day off, not script headers, script icons, day off, payday, treat yourself, and then a couple of quotes from Alice in Wonderland. So this one says, "We're all mad here," and "Curiouser and Curiouser." You've got like work to do, meeting, new releases, all that kind of stuff. So that is the August mystery kit. As I said, I hope you guys really like this. I'm so happy with how both of them turned out. I will be publishing the September box reveal in the middle of September, so about the 15th. I've just filmed it so that I can publish it while we're away. But September sign-ups are still going if you want to subscribe for the mystery kit or the sub box. And yeah, I will talk to you guys when I get back and in my next video. Do you like my wedding nails? I think they turned out really pretty. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye!